Hello my crafty friends and welcome back to another card making video. Today I'm showcasing my favorite stamp set from the latest release by Altenew. It's called Cut Life and it features lots of cards. With this stamp set you get the option to color your cards any way you like with your favorite coloring mediums inside the black lines, but also you get layers which makes coloring super quick and easy. And I will start with stamping. I picked the stamp with the 3 cards. I get a lot of questions about my stamping platform. This is the Stamp Press by Studio Light. It is a European company and I love supporting them. And by the way, the magnets with those tabs come as is with the platform. Now I will be using the different layers for each of the cards. For the first one I went with Fire Brick. For the second one with Sun-Kissed, and then for the last one, Orange Cream. All these colors are the crisp dye inks by Altenew. There are extra layers that you can add for the scarf of one of the cards as well as the bow tie. For those I went with 2 shades of blue. This is Dusk, and that one is Desert Night. I will use the matching dies to die cut my image, and by the way, lately I am using the Magic Mat by Scrapbook.com. This is a self-healing mat which is really a game changer when it comes to running your cutting plates through your machine. It helps not to warp your plates. You just replace one of the cutting plates with this one. And since lately I'm on a mission to use as much of the pattern paper that I have as possible, I'm bringing in an older paper pad by Altenew, which I absolutely love. I have used it many times, but I don't know what's the sorcery with paper pads. No matter what I do and how much I use them, I just cannot finish them. So I'm going with my go-to recipe for using pattern papers lately, where I cut out 2 panels and then I lay one on top of the other on an angle. For this step I decided to go with my tape runner, but you can definitely use foam tape here if you want to add extra dimension. On top I'm going to pop my cuts, and I do have foam tape at the back of those cuts so they are dimensional. For my sentiment I went with one from the stamp set that I just stamped with black ink on a thin strip of paper. I do have foam tape behind so it is dimensional. And finally, to finish off my card, I will embellish it with a few pearls. Clean and simple card, really quick and easy to put together, but at the same time it's so pretty. Keep in mind this is part of a blog hop, there are lots of giveaways to be won. Make sure to visit my blog to find out all the info. Links to everything I used can be found down below in the description. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and until next time, stay safe.